Hi guys, Tom Morrison here, and I'm literally just awake, and just to show you, this is the way that I would generally sleep. I can't sleep any other way. I've tried, but I don't. So, whenever you lie on your arm all night, your shoulder can get compressed quite a lot. So, the very first thing I do whenever I get up is grab a band, and then I can set you guys here. They're going to stay. There it is. I go straight into my shoulder dislocates. So from here, I go up and around, and then I stretch my neck in that position. So literally the very first thing I do whenever I get up is shoulder dislocate with a band and stretch my neck. And I can feel that I'm a little tighter on the one side, but not too bad. So you just get your shoulders moving first thing in the day. Do some retractions like that, and some rotations. Woo! So, like I said, literally just awake. Doing that can hopefully help you with any sort of shoulder problems that you're having, and then you can go about your day.